just at menu, setting up. This is our dining table. Just put this sheer fabric, and I'm going to show you bit by bit of all the things I'll be doing here. So exciting. I've got these gold rim charger plates. Chef Poyan is helping. The star of the night. There, just put our flowers. Colors are just perfect. Place the candles. We did a mix of little silvers and gold, just to show that we can work with different metallics. Okay, so I just put on how much cedar eucalyptus or just small branches and hit between the runner with some lovely mandarins. Just pulls this beautiful orange out. I'm going to be putting more fruits and some artichoke and all that good stuff. Nice menus. Slowly coming along. Chef's running, so I gotta go take it from him. Okay, I am just folding napkins, so square like that. Go once in the center and then over like that. And then I'll show you exactly how we're gonna place them. So you pretty much go under your charger plate and let it hang off the table. Just looks really neat for long tables. Really nice to look at it from the side. Okay, table is pretty much complete. Just want to take a couple photos.